learn how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. When we open our Google Chrome, we see Google is the default search engine. We want to change this to another search engine. For this, go to three dots on right corner, click on settings, go to search engine option on left side. Here you can see the search engine option. Click on change. Google is selected by default here. See Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Yandex. You can change to any search engine you want. Like I am changing to DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo. Set as default. Now open. See DuckDuckGo is default search engine now. Suppose I want to change it to Microsoft Bing. Click set as default. Change. See Microsoft Bing is default search engine now. In this way you can change the default search engine of Google Chrome. That's all in this video guys.